Belt buckles to the Western heritage culture are a symbol of achievement.
The buckles consist of many, many miles, many heartaches.
It's a great prize in the Western heritage, and it also serves to hold your pants up. What a buckle means to me and what all these buckles are is they represent something that I've won and something I've accomplished.
It's a sense of accomplishment, a sense of pride. It's a trophy that you can carry with you all the time.
And that's why there's so much meaning in them as they're passed down through generations.
My best barrel racing buckle was in the year of 1978 when I won my first Canadian championship buckle.
This is the first Canadian championship I ever won when I was 21 years old. So when you're 21 and you're the Canadian champ, it's pretty darn special to you.
My daughters did start out wearing my buckles, and I was so proud of that. You know, I would put on belt buckles that I was proud of, Canadian champion buckles and Canadian Finals rodeo stuff. But as soon as they won their own buckles, those buckles of Dad's didn't mean anything to them.
A lot of man hours goes into to creating a buckle, and you know, some are really beautiful.
And I really want that buckle to look nice and trendy right now today. But it's also important to me that that buckle stands the test of time.
And after all the hard work that you've done, that belt buckle really means something to you.
When you get a handmade one, you know, and it's unique to you, you know, that's even that much more special.
It's like a Stanley Cup ring. Anybody can go and buy a ring, but one that says Stanley Cup champion on it, you can't get one of those. That's something you earned and you deserved. And that's how I look at these buckles. It's something earned and deserved, and if you have one, you should wear it very proudly.
If you've been here, then you'll understand.